Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU Presents, we bring you a Medusa's makeup. Let me go this way. Yeah, Medusa's makeup. Why do I always giggle? Have you noticed? I giggle every time I announce a box. I say the box and then I giggle. I'm such a goofball. So Medusa's makeup is a vegan and cruelty-free makeup subscription box. They also have a website that just sells their products, but this is the subscription box. You get 4 full-size products. It is $16.95 a month. You can either sign up with their website, and I think they offer a 10% off coupon for the first month when you go to their website, or if not, do what I did and get it off of Amazon, and it's also $16.95 a month, and you can manage your subscription on Amazon as well. So that's the good thing. Also, I would like to send a huge thank you to everyone that is on my channel, and especially all of you that have been playing my playlist to help me get monetized. Thank you very much. I truly am grateful for that. Also, I'd like to send out a huge shout out to Gina Nabato. Gina, she's been helping me tremendously. I want to give her a great big hug, and I will link her channel down below so you can go over there and say hi as well. So let's get started on this box. Medusa's makeup, cruelty-free, vegan, la 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 la. So let's get started. I love their box. Isn't that pretty? And I yawned for about a minute. And then we open it up and it's the same thing. It's really a pretty box. I actually love this postcard here, so I think I'm gonna end up framing it or hanging it up or something. I really truly like this. Does it say who did it? No, but look at that postcard. Isn't that nice? That is lovely. I think I'm gonna frame it. And then you get the list of the items in the back. It is a $42 box value, so you're doubling your money. That's good. Again, packaged it nicely. This company is in Chicago, so it's right next, almost like next door to me, because I'm in Chicago. I say right next door, like I can walk. I actually can take the train there. Oh, they put a little. Oh, they put these little spiders in there. Can you see that? That's nice. Got a few of those. What is this called? Like confetti? That's the confetti. And I got a ring. I got a ring. Ooh, I got a ring. I got a spider ring. It goes with my nails. Maybe put on this one. So this is my newest set of impressed nails that I picked up from Walmart. And that's the ring that came in the box. But aren't those pretty nails? I love them. They're matte black and then the little rhinestone. Impress. Okay, so cruelty-free and vegan beauty box, October 2019. You have 4 products, and it says exclusive to subscribers is their vitamin D. No. Wrong letter. Vitamin C facial toner. Citrus limon, vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free. MedusaMakeup.com, and then it lists all the ingredients. So that's the packaging, and I'll show you the ingredients because there's too many ingredients for me to read off. Okay, let's smell it. Let's smell the limon. Ooh, that smells really good. Speaking of which, what did I do in my drink? Huh. Oh well. It smells really delicious. I love it. Does it say how to use it? No. Does it? No. Am I supposed to guess? Maybe I put it on my face after I wash it? I don't know. Please comment down below. What do you think? What do you think? Should I? Maybe. Don't worry. I'll Google it or something. I'll go on their website and look. So y'all don't have to be a smart ass and be like, Sam, just Google it. Okay, then we also have a mascara, travel size. And see, they're like right here, Chicago, Illinois, 60613. Let me see if I can get this open. It's not like I want to crack a nail. My problem is I don't want to pop a nail off, because these come they come with the little glue tabs on them. Bebé Gato Negro, baby black cat. That's the name of the color. Witch lash. Oh, that's cute. Medusa's makeup. So that's what it says. Witch lash. And the color is Bebé Gato Negro, baby black cat. That's not, I don't want to open it because, well, I've got a few mascaras I just opened, and I can't find my Thrive mascara, which is like driving me crazy, so I don't know what to do with it. But that's what it looks like. So that's what all the products look like. But that's what the mascara one looks like. Let's go for the lips. No, let's try this. Let's look at this. This is in the color Rocket, and it's the Glam Rock eyeshadow. Let me see. What do I do with the thing to open it? There it is. I'm using my hairpin. Okay. Yeah, their packaging is always really super. Oh, there's a little spider in there. See? Because they put the little spider confetti. I like that. What can I do with it? What do you think I could do with it? Put it in something? It'd be nice if I... Oh. Oh, look at where the spider landed. Okay. It doesn't want to come off. There we go. Man, I feel like a Mensa. You know, the problem is I was in Gina's live stream today for a few hours, and I was putting on my makeup, and then I got lazy and I didn't want to film anymore. I just want to go lay down and go to sleep. That's a pretty color. You know what? I don't want to swatch it because I might give it away. I think I might end up giving this away in a giveaway. My 2,000 subscriber giveaway, this might be one of the items in there, along with a couple palettes I have pulled out of my stash site over there that are brand new. And that's gonna go in a giveaway. That's product number 2. That's worth how much? So the eyeshadow is worth $9. The vitamin C facial toner is $12.95, and the travel size mascara is $10. And then we have a lipstick Chica. Oh, I love their packaging. See, distributed. Look at that. That is some cool. You know what I would love to do? Go see if their office is like in the color Chica. To go see if their office is like decked out. Like if I walked by, if I would know that that's their location, because they're up north, and where I'm at, so it's not too far. I wonder if I could just go over and be like, "What's up? I see you, Medusa makeup." Ooh, ooh, this is a little different. It's rubbing up against something, so it's causing the line to get in there. Is it? Maybe it's my imagination. Oh, look at that color. I'm gonna swatch this because I know I would wear it. What color do you think this is? Purple? Black? Blue? It says lipstick Chica. Is it purple? I think it's purple. This is a color I would have worn in the 90s. Back in the... Oh, it's so pretty. And creamy. Look at that color. It's so pretty. It's like purple. It's purple. I love it. Oh shit, I'm all over the place. That's a pretty color. And the lipstick is worth $12. Not bad for lipstick. It's really pretty. I wish that this whole decoration here would have been on the tube itself. You know, that would have been awesome. Because I love the tube. I mean, I love the box. But But that's it. That's everything that came in here. 4 items. Medusa's makeup. This is a color I definitely would have worn in the 80s. So you get the lipstick in the color Chica. Ooh la la. This is in Rocket, the eyeshadow, which is it will be going in a giveaway for sure. How big is it? Does it say? No, it doesn't say. The mascara. And this vitamin C facial toner, which I can't wait to try. Wash my face tonight. It smells so good. So that's everything that came in this box. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if something you would get. It is 4 items, and like I know everyone's gonna say, well, you know, BoxyCharm is now 25 or 21, and Ipsy is 13, and I get blah blah blah. I get all that. That's understandable. But also, this is a vegan and cruelty-free box, so this is always gonna be vegan, always gonna be cruelty-free, and there is no question about it. And so for those of you that are wanting to do like more of a clean vegan makeup type of deal, this is one box that I recommend wholeheartedly. It's a very nice box. I understand that it's only 4 items, but it is vegan, and they use nothing but organic items in their products, so, and ingredients. And I got a little lighter. I can't wait. Should I do a grunge look, you guys? Like a 90s grunge? I do like an 80s. I grew up in the 80s and I grew up in the 90s. So let me know in the comment section down below, what did you think of the box? I love this postcard. I'm actually gonna frame it. I really, really, truly like it. Purple. I like the purple. That's the color of the lipstick. So comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want me to do like a 90s grunge look or an 80s look. Let me know in the comment section down below. And that's it. So thank you for hanging out with me. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Until next time, hasta laterz.